Hey guys, we're here today with a box. For the first time in a long time, I have no idea what is actually inside of this box. What did you do?
I told you to be wet.
Who are you?
Fetty Potter.
This
Who are
is
you?
Fetty Potter. I am Gabe Cruz, and this is
Daniel, America.
and right there,
Oh, the Australian Daniel.
and behind the camera is the breaker of locks. I don't open boxes. I'm retired. All right.
That was easy.
What? A skateboard?
Wow!
Oh look, we got a note. Oh my goodness.
Boy.
Fetty, while you check this out and start putting trucks on it, I'm going to begin reading this note.
What's on the other side?
Nothing, it's just a
I
skateboard.
don't believe you. Something is... That sounds like normal grip tape.
Hi, Braille. My name is Jason. I
Hey,
am
Mike too. What?
Your name is Fetty. What are you talking about? I am from Silverthorne, Colorado, and I've been skating for 2 years.
That's the coolest name of a town.
Silverthorne.
Sounds like a Skyrim town.
I was showing my dad a few of your videos, and he thought it would be a good idea to send you guys a board with some squeaky toy grip tape. I agreed to
A
it.
great idea. Not a good idea.
Fantastic. I agreed to it, and I used an old board of mine to make the squeaky toy skateboard. I ordered some squeaky toys from Amazon, and I glued them individually to the top of the skate deck. Just to FYI, it is really loud and very annoying. Also, you should check out my friend's YouTube channel at Jonathan Buckhouse. That is also a very cool name, by the way.
It's Buck.
He makes really good skate and snowboard videos. He has 7,000 subscribers, and it would be really cool if you guys could get him to 10K. Thanks. Well, thank you, Jason.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna get this set up, and I believe we're gonna play a game of skate on it.
Look at the evolution.
Goes from
Neanderthal to
There's
trike.
There's Gabe.
We're stuck on this.
There's Uzi. There's me. There's
that guy's levitating.
That's Rowan. That's Rowan. That's Rowan.
What?
Rude.
Oh my gosh!
you
I just
take
took
a-
a sneak peek.
Oh yeah, it's probably gonna sound
Great.
Probably gonna
Not
sound
good.
like 40 dying
40.
creatures.
You know that video where they squish all the chickens and they go? It's probably gonna be like that.
Wait,
Is it good?
We're good.
All right.
Oh.
There's just one that's cut in half. I don't think that works.
That's my favorite one.
All right, you guys. This is the. So this is the squeaker board.
The most annoying board ever.
Yeah, the most annoying board of all time. Game of skate on flat ground. Me versus Fetty versus Uzi. Let's go. Rochambeau. Boom, boom, pow. I'm last. Great. You know, Uzi's been saying he's the king of rock, paper, scissors for the last week and a half.
I mean, I don't know about that old accent, but
This is just as annoying as it is for us as it is for you.
I like that voice.
Daniel, stop moving! I just need you guys to know that our Australian friend Daniel is going to be reffing this game very tough today.
Yes.
Yes.
If you guys look, the board is labeled nose and tail, but in the middle it's not labeled squeak.
Wait. I'm gonna have a 360 loop problem.
Dude, this board is so hard. Looks like it's gonna be an early exit for me today.
That was squeaky clean.
The grip doesn't grip.
Every dog in a 4-mile radius is like, just like that. How poor. Oh, the squeakers do not protect, they attack. Oh, God.
Just let it out, bro.
Oh my God, you can't even flick. Oh God.
My sleeves keep falling down.
wasn't pretty, but it counts.
Death, part 2.
Stop jinxing me, just let me skate! You say something to me and then I literally just like I see hell. And it's just like, I just see like a bad place. I would not have been able to land a trick right there. Yeah.
You would think Gabe was a soccer player.
Uzi's that
Nothing?
All right, let's see how this board's hanging up here. That was the single most satisfying thing I've ever done in my life. But yeah, they're all managing to stay on very well. So Jason, very good build. I have no idea how I did that. It's the hardest trick I've ever done in my life.
My arm's spaghetti right now.
Just 2 tries.
My knee's weak, arm's spaghetti. There's spaghetti on my sweater already. See, spaghetti everywhere.
Defense.
Defense.
I don't even have spaghetti on this one.
How can he not heel flip?
Oh, Fetty's really good. Fetty's really good.
That was nice.
You hear all that noise? That's my brain cells all trying to get together to figure out how to do
Sound of
this.
defeat.
That flicked incredibly fast.
Wow.
Oh my god, that trick is so scary. Fetty, I would just like to thank you in advance for a squeaky clean game. Let's finish this off the right way with my defeat. Why the fork am I gonna backside double heel? You okay?
Yes.
Pretty good. Well, we're automatic for help me out.
Front shove.
Oh, that's a good one. Dude, I'm really trying here. Oh my god, how did I overflip that?
I thought he was going for the 20th century thing, because it sounded like it.
What?
You know, like the intro to the 20th century thing? Dun, 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 dun,
dirty, dirty.
See, the back heel was fine because I don't do that trick, but when he tries to take my double flips, that's when it gets hurtful. I don't ever bring salt to these games, but oh, when you try to insult my double flip game, that's when it gets personal! My freaking nuts almost ceased to exist right there. Did you see that?
They almost squeaked to exist.
Going easy on him this entire time. I haven't done a double flip in 7 years. He's sitting down. Look at the disrespect.
I would have called rebate on it, but it was like a full.
Betty's the one that gave it to me, so. Hi. Fetty, you're a good guy. You know that? Fetty's a really good guy. I love that guy so much. Oh! Give me a sec. Why is it so hot in here? Why is this figure tray the hardest trick I've ever done?
Oh, you sound like Batman.
I gotta keep the streets of the Braille house safe from the Fetty scum. We have a clown taking tricks from the innocent. And I, Batman, must be the one to put a stop to it. Yeah, man. Fork. Rachel! Ah! Oh, I got hit the same freaking spot from the regular tray flip.
I say we give him one more go.
One more go? You want to see me die?
Yeah.
Fetty, is that okay?
Yeah.
So I just gotta practice the trick before he lands it. That's all I'm doing.
Here's the good thing about Fetty right now, you know? A lot of people might be watching this video saying, wow, Fetty's just the worst. He's stealing all of Gabe's tricks.
No, that's just what you're thinking.
But that's not what I see. I see a friend trying to help another friend progress. Uzi, you were out 10 minutes ago. Your opinion is irrelevant!
Don't trust him.
Hi.
So we're here today with @ICan'tSwitchFlip.edu on Instagram, and he's about to be shown up by
Do you want me to show you how
I
to
can
switch flip?
occasionally switchflip.edu on Instagram.
You want to flick and get maximum squeak off the front of the board.
So it's all in the squeak.
It is, but you just lost a squeaker, so good luck.
Exactly. Let me get one more. Namaste.
No, I'm gonna go. It's 5 o'clock.
One amazing game of skate later. We're here with a nearly 98% complete squeaker board. Only one was lost, and it was on the practice steps, not on the actual trick. Wow.
Very well made.
Grade A, 150 million IQ building. Real quick, Uzi,
Yes.
you were taken out of the game by me pretty early on,
Yeah.
but did you have a good time?
No, I'm very salty about it. Just kidding. No, it's fun.
It was fun. And Fetty, thank you for pushing me, as always.
Wait, you got out on a switch flip too?
Yeah, I did.
We'll get switch flips
Now
done.
you guys
I
know
know.
what to work
Then
on.
he won't be able to get us out.
Exactly, I've only done one in my life. But on that note, we're gonna end this video. A big thanks to Jason who built this board, and right here, Jonathan Buckhouse. You can check out his YouTube channel. He's at 7,000 subscribers right now. If you wanna help him get to 10K, comment on his channel and let him
Get him
know that
that
Braille
K.
sent you.
Get him
Boom,
that K.
get him that 10K. So thank you guys so much for watching. The squeaker most annoying board ever was actually a lot of fun. So please subscribe, please like, and leave a comment below. And the notification squad question of the day is how many squeakers are on this board?
Ooh, that's a tough
So look at the video, pause the screenshot, count how many there are, leave a comment below with the hashtag notification squad, and we will pick a random commenter with the correct answer and send you some free merch at random, only one of you. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in tomorrow's video. We do one a day on 3 different channels, Braille Army, Braille Gaming, and this channel right here, so check them all out. You guys are the best.